Beamer, that's a big biz. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man. Sending cash to my account, he investing. Dark shades on when I'm off the Migos. He tryna cuff me like a nigga in a Rico. Moving through this shit like GTA with a cheat code. He claimed that he love me, but before.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla if you're new. So I was sent over this new hair from Hermosa Hair, and I added some curls. Can you believe that she is a closure? She is sitting on no glue at all on my head. And I'm gonna show you guys how I slay this unit. This is one that's super easy. So I am working with Hermosa Hair. They sent me over a unit because it ain't nothing under this bonnet, girl. It ain't nothing. So let me go ahead and take out my unit. I'm super excited. Some days when you wake up, you're like, you know what? Life ain't even that bad. I just gotta get it together. So I have my unit, and then we have a goodie bag with some lashes, a wig cap. We're gonna need this because I have an old braid down, baby. My braid down been in for about 3 months. We have a travel makeup brush set, which all my makeup brushes is dirty, chill. So backup ones is always needed. We got some press-on nails. Ooh, these are like the some cow press-on nails. Ooh, they getting fancy, babes. So cute press-on nails. So opening up the wig, this is a 24-inch body wave 8x5 lace closure. So it is a big lace closure. So 5x5 and then 8 inches deep. And yeah, she has a nice wave to it. So if you want to put some curls in it, do some crimps, we'll see what we're gonna do. Also comes with an elastic band. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so she's gonna get a Louis Vuitton scarf on. Boom, boom. You ready? All right, guys, so she's gonna be chilling for a little bit. I do have a hooded dryer to put it under a dryer to dry faster. She's gonna be chilling. So now I'm going to cut off this, and I'm going to grab my scissors. So after I put my unit under the hooded dryer, this is how flat she is. We really want a flat install, so whether you're using the hot comb, some foam, just make sure that it's super, super, super flat. And look at that, we're ready to style her up. I decided that I'm going to style her on the actual wig head and not my head. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace off and then get into the styling. I decided to go with crimps. Crimps take a little bit longer to do, but I thought they would be a cute look. And then I also go in and do a little bit more plucking after I put it on, just because we wanted that hairline to look really good, and I decided to do some baby hair. So you guys will see that in a little bit.
What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. Just say the word, baby, I'ma get you right. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. Ain't gotta say it, I know I'm the one you like. Oh damn, tell the DJ turn the beat up. Got a white boy who be singing like a Beatle. Claim she getting bread, but I heard she doing keto. I don't do drugs, I'ma smoke a little weed up. I can't chase a man for no paper. Just think it's sweet, I'ma show him now or later. I be getting money on the wake up. He a broke boy, tell that nigga get his cake up. Only with dope boys, they the ones who spinning paper, get your weight up. Told him send an Addy and to stay up. Just out here mad, told him assalamu alaikum. Who that 5'5", she don't even need no makeup. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. Just say the word, baby, I'ma get you right. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. Ain't gotta say it, I know I'm the one you like.
Alright guys, so this is my complete install from Hermosa Hair. I laid this 5x8 closure unit. I think she looks good. I've been practicing my baby hair skills. I love the crimps and I decided to put 2 clips on my hair and kind of have it in this style. Let me know what you guys think about this style in the comment section. This was super easy. It's no glue on this unit at all. It's just on. The band fits my head perfectly. Alright guys, thanks for staying to the end of today's video. In the comment section, let me know, did you like this hair with the crimps or the curls? I like them both. The crimps took a little bit of time, but this just looks like a bombshell baddie. Let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.